So did you know what the notch is used for on the DJI Pocket 3 protective cover? If not, then let me tell you what it is used for. If you have recently bought the Pocket 3 and you have this protective case, then let me tell you what other uses it can be other than just protecting your gimbal when not in use. So the protective case is a case for your Pocket 3 gimbal to protect it from bump or knocks. The gimbal stays locked in place during travel and does not damage any motors or the camera. Now looking at the top, here you'll notice a notch which has been cut out. You might be wondering what it is used for. Well, the answer is this protective case can be used to mount your DJI mic. So for example, let's say you're interviewing someone on the street or in an event. So instead of holding the mic with your finger like this, you can mount the mic on the protective case and now hold the mic to the person. So this is really comfortable and the person who's being interviewed can hold it as well. And there you go. That is what the notch is used for on the DJI Pocket 3 protective cover. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.